Have you ever wondered where the brains behind your favorite online bank are located? Today, we're diving deep into the mystery of Tangerine Bank's head office. Tangerine Bank, formerly ING Direct, is a Canadian online-only bank known for its high-interest savings accounts and innovative financial products. But where exactly is this digital powerhouse based? Let's find out. When you think of a bank, you probably picture a grand building with marble floors and towering columns. But Tangerine is different. It's a virtual bank, so it doesn't have a physical branch network. This makes tracking down its headquarters a bit more challenging. So, where do we start our search? The internet, of course. A quick Google search leads us to Tangerine's official website. While the website provides plenty of information about their products and services, there's no explicit mention of their head office location. Undeterred, we continue our investigation. Delving into the bank's legal documents, we find a clue. Tangerine Bank is a subsidiary of Scotiabank. This gives us a new lead to follow. Scotiabank is a major Canadian bank with a vast network of branches across the country. Could Tangerine's head office be located at one of these branches? We start by narrowing down our search to major cities where Scotiabank has a significant presence. Toronto, Montreal, and Vancouver are all possibilities. We visit Scotiabank branches in these cities, hoping to find a sign or indication that Tangerine is headquartered there. Unfortunately, our search comes up empty-handed. Just when we think we're hitting a dead end, we stumble upon a piece of information that changes everything. A former Tangerine employee reveals that the bank's head office is actually located in a remote area of Canada. The location is so discreet that it's not even listed on Tangerine's website or any public records. It's a well-kept secret, known only to a select few within the company. Why is Tangerine's head office so hidden? It turns out that there are several reasons. First, keeping the location secret helps to protect the bank from potential cyber attacks. Second, it allows Tangerine to maintain a certain level of anonymity and avoid unnecessary attention. As Tangerine continues to grow and evolve, it's possible that the bank may eventually reveal the location of its head office. But for now, it remains a mystery, a testament to the digital age and the power of online banking. So, where is Tangerine Bank's head office? It's a question that has puzzled many people over the years. While we may never know the exact location, we can appreciate the mystery and intrigue surrounding this digital bank. If you're curious about Tangerine Bank or online banking in general, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos on this topic. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.